Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point? So now you don't even need an empty background. Just walk in there and record yourself jumping like this. Just jump and wait. You jump again. You wait. You jump again. You can decide to stretch your hands. You can decide to do any style while jumping, and make sure your leg is high a bit when you are jumping, something like what you are seeing on your screen. You get my point? You can be splitting your legs when you are jumping, so try to jump up to 20 times or more, so that you can have a longer video. You get my point? So guys, please like this video so YouTube will distribute it to many other people. You get my point? So when you are done with this recording, you can now save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project. Understand? Import the video you just recorded, just bring it to Capcut. So right now I'm looking for where I want my video to start, so I will just tap on this layer here. I'll tap on the layer here, then I will click on split, and then I'll delete the beginning of the video because I don't need them. Now this is how I want the video to start. You get my point? Somewhere here. So guys, this particular video is all about splitting. Understand? So at this point where the character is up here, you get my point, you tap on the layer. Now click on split. You get my point? So before the character will land, don't allow the character to land, so you can tap on another split. Understand? Just look at the way it is. You click on another split. Understand? Then allow the character to land. Now when the character is jumping again, immediately the character leaves the ground. That is when you have to click on split again. So you get my point? So you come back here, you come to this other layer, tap on this layer here, then click on delete. You've deleted that first one. So now the character, before it lands, don't allow the leg to touch the ground. I don't know if you get my point. Now tap on split again. You tap on the layer, you tap on split. Now allow the character to land. The same thing when he's jumping again. As soon as the legs leaves the ground, you get my point? As soon as the leg leaves the ground, that is when you have to click on split. Tap on the layer. Now tap on split. Now when you click on split, you will have to come back to this first layer here, this layer here behind. Understand? You tap on it, you highlight it, that's what I mean, then you delete it. I don't know if you understand. I'll have to explain again up to 3 or 4 times so that you will understand better. You get my point? So now after deleting it, allow the character to land. When he's jumping, as soon as the legs leaves the ground, you click on split. I'm repeating this so that you will get it. That's why I'm repeating it. So as soon as the legs leaves the ground, you click on split. Understand? Then you will come back here, click on this one here. Now click on delete. You have something like this. Now before the character lands, just allow the video to play a little, or you can move it with your hand before the legs touches the ground again. You get my point? That is when you have to tap on the layer. Now click on another split. When you tap on split, then you will allow the character to land. You get my point? So that is how you are going to be doing till you get to the end. You get my point? So if you are a complete beginner and you want to learn about video editing, understand, just chat me up on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. You get my point? There you will learn how to edit video from scratch. I'll also teach you how to get green screen effects for free and how to use them. You get my point? I don't charge much. It's affordable. So chat me on WhatsApp if you are interested. You get my point? So when you are done with everything, you get my point? So you can tap on this layer, then click on split, then delete the ending part of it. So there you are good to go. You get my point? Guys, comment, like this video now. Let's see what we got. Look at it now. Don't you like it? Alright, so guys, from here you can now save your video to your gallery. Understand? So see you in our next video.